Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Eldek, and today this is just introduction to the structure of any course I'm teaching on online. Since we are teaching on Canvas, mainly on Canvas, so all the material are organized on Canvas. So let me show you an example. When you open the course on Canvas, for example, this is ECE 220, but it is the same for all courses. The first page is home, and this home you have the name, the course name, circuit, for example, and this is my name, my title as a professor in electrical and computer engineering. Here, this is my email address, and this is my phone number. You can contact me anytime. Also, I created a channel on YouTube that has all the videos, and it is organized so that it will be easy for you if you want to watch it outside Canvas. So, for example, if you want to open this one here, this link, and you will find everything organized on this one here. You see, you go to playlist, of course, go to playlist, and under playlist, for example, you will see this is circuit ECE 220 chapter 1, for example. This is chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, and so on. And if you are taking, for example, semiconductors, this is chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. And if you open, for example, chapter 1, for example, or chapter 2 in semiconductor, for example, you will see how many courses you see. You see how many videos, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can watch them anytime as you like. So I believe that will make it easy for you if you don't, for example, want to log into Canvas. So you can do that. It's up to you. Also, the same videos are on Canvas. So you have the option to choose between YouTube and Canvas. Next, here also there's a start here, welcome modules and stuff. You don't need this too much, but you just need, for example, to look at this steps, this menus here, home, online meeting, syllabus, and so on. The online meeting is very important. When you click on this one here, you will, if you open this link here, open it, you will open the live lecture. This is a live lecture at the same time of the class. For example, for circuit, I believe it is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, from 10 to 10:50, for example, and in the other semester in the spring it will be Tuesday, Thursday. So you have to check pause, POW, pause for the exact time of the class. So open this link just 5 minutes, for example, before the class, and we will start the live lectures. The live lectures you will not be always, for example, 50 minutes or 80 minutes. It will be shorter than this, most probably. Next menu is a syllabus. So you have to read the syllabus very carefully. For example, here, this is a description of the course and the prerequisites. You have to make sure that you have all the prerequisites. The textbook is here, okay? And for example, this is a reference if you want. And this information about myself. And then some course outcomes, the main topics, for example. And also here, what is the lab? The lab is associated with this class, for example, is this one here. Not all classes have labs. This is, as I say, this is just example, but all courses are the same. This one is quiz 0. Quiz 0 is very important. I added to all courses I'm teaching. So this one here is what? It's just a training. It is ungraded quiz. So what you need to do is to just prepare the verification of enrollment form. There's a verification of enrollment form. You will find it. I will show you where it is. Also, I sent it to you in the first announcement, but also you can find it on Canvas. So what you need to do is to download it and then sign it, fill it and sign it, and prepare it as a, for example, JPEG, which is a image, or you can, for example, copy and paste it on Microsoft Word as a document file, DOC or DOCX, or you can convert it to PDF. So one of these formats is acceptable. Okay, and then prepare it to add it to try to go to quiz number 0. Quiz 0. Quiz 0 is just ungraded. As I said, it's just training for you on how to solve a quiz, and I will show you quiz 0 later on. Then after that, this is the evaluation of the course. For example, here you will find chapter 1, chapter 3, 2, 3, 4, and so on. These are the quizzes. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. You have 8 quizzes. And each quiz has a certain time. For example, this is 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Some quizzes you will find 40 minutes plus 10. So I added 10. Why? Because you have to upload a document. For example, you have to solve in your paper and then take a picture, or usually you will take a picture or scan it and then upload it, as I said, in as a picture format, JPG, or document, or PDF, one of these 3. So I give you this 10 minutes to do that. That's why I said in quiz 0, you need to practice on how to upload a file on Canvas. And so this is the quiz itself. The quiz is this is, for example, this quiz is 2 points, this one is 4 point, 4 point, 8 point, 8 point, and so on. So the total here is 52% on these quizzes. For some quizzes, like for example, quiz number 2 and 3 and so on, you will have to prepare a video. What is this video? Before you do the quiz, you have to watch for the announcement here. Before you do the quiz, I will give you a problem. This problem, you need to solve it, and then prepare, for example, a PowerPoint and try to make a video. So you open, for example, Hangout, or any tool, for example, like Zoom, whatever, and then try to create a video on explaining. You are the teacher now, and I want you to show how you solve this problem. Okay, the steps. You should need to show the steps. The video should be less than 5 minutes. Could be 3, 2 minutes, whatever. 3 to 4 minutes is enough. Don't have to make it 1 hour. Just one problem. I wanna solve this problem like this, like this. I do this first, do this first, do this first, second, third, and so on. So this is how you create this video. Create a video and then upload it. This will be the assignment, one of the assignments that you need to do. And this will be, for example, the first one is 1.1%, 2%, 2%, and so on. Okay, it is 1 or 2%, but it is important for 2 reasons. Number 1, because the count here, you have 13%. Number 2, because this is a preparation for the quiz. Because when you do that, you are preparing yourself for the quiz, because the quiz will have the same problem, but maybe different numbers. So when you do this video, you are practicing you are a teacher now, and you are teaching us how we solve the problem. Okay, and then when you go to the quiz, it will be easy for you to solve the problem. And then after that, you have a final exam, which is 40%. Okay, most probably you will have 40% plus 65. Yeah, so I mean here that the quizzes, when you add the quizzes and these PowerPoint videos, you add them. Like here, for example, it's 52 plus 13. Sometimes it is 54 plus 11, for example, but the total is 65. 65 plus 40, this is 105. So as I said here, this grade distribution include 5% bonus. So you have a 5% bonus. So if you miss, for example, a quiz, if you miss video, whatever, okay, sometimes for the example, the quiz is not, you cannot make it up. So in this case, you still can get 100, you still can get A, no problem. Okay, the scales is okay, no price, normal, like any normal class, A from 90, 100, 80 to 89.9, and so on. Okay, this is just general rules for this class. So this is the second menu here, which is or the third menu, home, online. So we said home is just information, general information, and the link for the YouTube videos or YouTube channel, I mean. Second is the online meeting. This is the live lectures, link for the live lecture. You will find this in the first announcement, but also you can find it here. Each class has a different link. The third is the syllabus. So you need to look at the syllabus, especially the textbook, what kind of textbook, and how we do the evaluation. Then after that, everything is organized in these modules. Will make it very easy for you. So now what you need to do, just look at these modules. You don't need to look at any other stuff. Like here's the grades for, so you need to look at the grades. Proctoring is this for the final exam. But after that, you don't need to look at anything except the announcement, your email, and the modules. The modules are very important. So for example, here, module number 0, I make it 0 because this is ungraded. This is just orientation or introduction. So here I will create a video. This video actually I will add it here in this module. So you will find this introduction here. And then after that, you will find the syllabus. So you can click the syllabus, for example, and open it. Then you can download it if you want. So here, this is the syllabus, the same syllabus which I showed you before. Okay. And then, for example, the video, you can open the video here also. You can open it and you can download it if you want. Okay. So this is a different video. Verification of enrollment is here also. And quiz 0. You go to quiz 0 also is important. This is just the rest here, just information for you. You need to read it. And this some student resources also. You need to check them. So let's go to quiz 0, for example. What's quiz 0? Let us preview this one here. So how it look like? So quiz 0 is nothing. What's your name? For example, my name is, you need to type here. So this is just a training for you. Okay. So for you to know the different types of questions on Canvas. So the first question is just text. So what's your name? Okay, you write your name. And here, this one you have to fill in the spaces. What's your J number? J number is J00, for example, something like this. What is this course number? It is, for example, 220. It is 335. It is 355, whatever. Okay. What is the third question here is choose from multiple choice. So, for example, what is the capital of Mississippi? You have two choices here. What is the capital of United States, for example? You can select one. And here you choose a file. If you want to choose a file, so you go to file and then you select, for example, verification of enrollment. Okay, where it is. So again, here it is. Oh, come on. So you just choose the file and then upload it. And every question has number of points here defined. 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. So this is just 4 points. For the quizzes, generally, I created what's the quality here, a bank or a number of questions. So not everybody will get the same question. For example, you have the same test, and you are, for example, 20 students, and everyone will have a different question. Canvas will assign you a different question. So be careful. Even if it looks the same, but it will be different. Okay. So this means that you do not depend on each other. Don't copy from other person, because the tests are different. The tests are different. Then after that, you submit the quiz. You submit this quiz, and the quiz has certain time. For example, here it is 27 minutes. So I said here this 30 minutes, for example. And sometimes you need to add one question at a time. You will see one question at a time. You will not see all these questions. You will see question 1 and then question 2, then question 3, and so on. Then you hit submit. Here it is. So now it is submitted. Now let's return back to the module. So this one here, you need to do it. Okay. In the first week, for example, you have to do it. Just a practice, and you can do it many times. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, whatever. Just practice on how you create a file and then upload it on Canvas. And you need to upload the verification of enrollment after you fill it. So again, let us return back to the modules. This is the most important part. So next module is chapter 1. You see, it is very, very simple and very organized. So chapter 1 is organized as follow. For example, this one is chapter 1, the PowerPoint slides. There it is. You can download it, of course. You can just click again and you can download it. Because in Canvas sometimes it takes some time. I don't know why. So here, let's open it. Okay, I'm downloading it. Here it is. Here it is. Anyway, so here's a first chapter. Okay, and at the same time, when I return back, you will find after the PDF. So this is a PowerPoint slides in PDF. And then after that, you will find video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4 for what? For chapter 1. And then after that, you need to do quiz number 1. Quiz number 1 is after you finish these videos. And also, I will announce this in the announcement and in the live lectures. You need to watch the videos before you go to the live lecture. So in the announcement, I will ask you to watch video 1 and 2, for example, to prepare, because in the live lectures, this is just a Q&A. So because it's a live, okay, so we need to get benefit of that. So you need to ask, because you have the videos, you can repeat them as many as you like. So in the live lectures, you need to ask about anything that you do not understand in the videos. So again, the videos are here and also are on the YouTube channel. And then after that, you do quiz number 1. And then after that, chapter 2, you have, again, this is a PDF and these are the videos. Here you have 2 things here, the video for the quiz and then the quiz. So for example, as I said, that you need to prepare for a video, which is a very short video, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Just I will give you a question and I ask you to solve it. You are the teacher now and you want show how to solve this one. You upload the video and submit it. And then after that, I will announce quiz number 2 and so on. So this is how the class is organized. You see chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and so on. So that's it for this is the modules. And then proctoring, this is just for final exam. Of course, so this is later on. We'll do this later on. The grades, everything, the grades will be shown here. And then after that, the attendance, of course, the discussion. This is if we have some discussion. For example, can create a group discussion group. For example, also you can discuss if you have any problem. You can make a discussion here. NetTutor, I believe that this is this is also a new something. A thing that I just knew about from GSU. They added this new tutor. Then you need to agree and then follow the links to have a tutoring for this course. Okay, so I believe that's it. This is all what you need to know about any course. Again, if you see, this is just for circuit. For example, if you go to semiconductor, for example, this class, you will find it exactly the same. Online meeting, and then syllabus, modules, and the modules are also have the same steps also. Chapter 1, chapter 2, and so on, and then proctoring, attendance, announcement, discussion, net tutor, and so on. That's it. Okay, it may be different in the lab. That's it. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know. I hope you will enjoy the course, and see you on the first class on Monday. Goodbye, or whatever, depending on the time of the class. Goodbye.